Here we have a 1/64 scale Code 3 Collectibles fire truck. This is a Pierce. No, I'm saying it. Pierce pumper truck. I don't know the exact model, but I was told it was a pumper, so that's what we're going with anyway. This is 1/64 scale. Got flashing headlights, red strobes above the lights, red strobe light bars on the roof, red strobe beacons on the top of the rear end here, and then strobes over the rear wheels. Also has steady tail lights as well. The roof strobes are controlled with a circuit board, as well as the rear strobes over the wheel and the top here. So this will be decaled as a Virginia Beach department. I know the decals have been removed. The customer did that, so. But anyway, it will be decaled as a Virginia Beach Fire Department. Again, you can see the rooftop there. Different patterns of those. The center LEDs tied in with the rear LEDs. To give those a pretty cool pattern in person. Anyway, you can't detect it here, but on the camera. But anyway, flashing headlights. Red strobes over those. You can see those there. Red strobe over the rear wheel well. That alternate with a top beacon on the side. Steady rear taillights. And you can see these two beacons also alternate with each other. Again, those are triple strobe. And then same on the over the wheel here. They alternate from top to bottom as well. So again, it kind of breaks up the pattern a little bit. So anyway, Brian, there you have it. I appreciate the order, and I'll get this shipped out to you tomorrow, probably tomorrow or Thursday. So anyway, thanks again.